Hello, how to play to chicken game? In hello, how to play the chicken game tutorial. You can go in other modes or server. Okay, I click on other mode. After that, click on offline and you can select map. Click in the map. You can click in all maps you want. When that is there, you choose the map. After you you click there and it's good. Wait, and it's good. And wait, what is that? Okay. And after, this is for shoot, and that's for take objects. Look, click there, and you have various objects. I click in this object. Okay, it's good. And after, do that for move camera. Okay, it's good. That is for shoot. I do. And there is a thing for you see? You do that and that, you can go everywhere. Okay, how to take the object? Click on there when you have that in the object. Okay, let's go. And you got it. For that, you do that there. It's do that. And that's two. And click there or there or there. I click there. Okay, it's do giant. I click there. It's do tiny. And there is what? It's for going out. And there, I take it. And what is that? Yes, I click. Oh, that's cool. And that is and that. Oh, an egg. Oh, explosion. And you can click in all of there and there if you want. I click there. Let's go. Oh, I have various objects. Do that or that for have object, and that's there. Okay. Oh, various object. And what is that? That is for that. This spell. And what is that? It's for do that. What is that? You take it and you can fly. Yes, you can fly. As you can see. And what was that? That is for, and click there. And you can have guns. And it's so cool. Look, I click in. You do that if you have a lot of guns. I have a lot of guns. I choose click in a gun and you can have it. Wow. And click there and that happened. It's so cool. And what is that? It's for dance. What was that? It's for the camera. I dance. And do that for the tutorial. Look, if you emote. Okay, I click in that emote. Okay, let's go. Yeah. I stop. And what is that? I click. Okay, let's go. Hi, hello. Oh, it's a message. And what is that? I click on it. Oh, it's for not see the message. Okay. What is that? It's for the player list. And what is that settings? You can menu and what was that? Menu and save games. I click in that. Okay, I click in that. Bro. And I save game. Okay, I saved game. And there is the settings. Look, that is for that. Ambient color is for that. Yes, it's so cool. It's so cool. Wow. It's so cool. And what is camera distance? Ah, it's the camera. Okay. And light intensity at blue. Oh, wait. Is that light intensity? And look. With lamp, I click in the lamp. And what is that? When you have that in the object, you click there. Okay. And it's do light. And for doors, there is for doors. Doors. When you have that in the object, you click there. It's good. Okay. And the TV. When you have that in the object, you click there. Okay, and it's good. It's do a TV. Look. It's so cool. Click again. And what is that? Reset. Okay, reset is for that. Look, it's absolute change. Okay, click, and that, and warning, that is so dangerous. Don't go in there because it's gonna do that. Dangerous. That's two. What the? Oh, I see a thing in that is scary. You see? Okay, I don't want that. If you go there, that happens. that happened. Wait, that is not normal, and you die. And when the second is finished, click there, and it's good. And what is that? That. Click on it and you can jump. And it's so cool. And that is the life of your player. That it's your look. Look there. Did you see? Wow. It's my life. And when it's finished, I die. And I click there. And what is that? Okay, it's that. That is for tiny. And that is for giant. I go in tiny. Oh, look. Did you see? And that's for giant. Did you see? I'm giant, and giant. And giant. Okay. Okay. And it's so cool. Yo, it's that tutorial? No, it's not finished. Menu is for menu and click there if you want to change the decor. Look, I click and that is changing. Click there, that happened. And that is for the name. Look. And that happened. The super titles, it's so good, yes. And that is the star. Click on it. That is for the saved skins. But if you are a noob, you don't have this. But there is for save skin. Look. Yo, baby. And you see there is that is my skin there. And that is Bifarbishia. And that is for get frequent. You click there and you get with ad. And what is that? Click on it and that is yes. Click on all you want of there and do that at all. And click in the gun if you want. I click on it and buy it if you have coins. With that, you can buy it. With that. Okay, I buy it and click on it there. Okay, I have skins. Click in all you want there. I click in him, the pig. And click in sweets. And nothing is for him. The pig, him. What is in the sweets? Okay, sweets is so cool. This is so cool. Wow. Oh, what is that? Click in all you want. I click in the rabbit. Nothing. Okay. Click in the go. Oh, it's again. Okay. Okay. That. Oh, it's cats and